This is the tutorial for the OpenConference Master Guide Portfolio Portal Tour, the mobile view. Again, we are aware that a couple of us will be using our mobile devices, so we would like to do a tutorial for both views so that you can see how it looks like. Right, so once you visit the website, this is where you land, right? And there are 3 rules: intending master guide, the reviewer, and then the observer. Right, so the information I'll share on this tutorial might be abridged, might be a shorter version, since much talking has been done on the other tutorial for the desktop view. This is just to show you where to click, right, if you're using mobile phone. Right, so you can see the timelines, right, and other details like that. Right, so how do we log in? Right, if you're an intending master guide, just click on access intending master guide panel, click on that. Now this depends on the speed of your phone, right, and the speed of your internet, and the device you're using. The speed might vary, right? So I'm just going to use this person, right? And then I click on sign in. I think I'm using the wrong password. Sorry. Let me change the password. Okay, great. Right, so when you get that, just look at the error message and then do the needful. Right, so if you're coming in for the first time, so once you create your account, you have a default password which will have been sent to you, right? And then you are expected to change your password. You won't be able to do anything until you change your password. So you put your current password and then you put the new password, right? Right. If you want to see what you have typed, you can just click on this eye icon here. Right, so if your password is correct, you can update it. If your password means the format, so a password must be at least 8 characters long, must have a capital letter, small letter, special character, and a number. Right, you just want it to be secured. You don't want it to use simple password that can easily be guessed. Right, so please protect your password, right? Make it just let it be known by only you. Right, so I click on update password, and if that is correct, it says this password is incorrect. I think I'm mixing some passwords up. Right, so password updated successfully, and then it should take you back to the login page. Right, so you now need to sign in, right, with the new password that you have changed. So I'm going to sign in, right? So once you sign in, this is going to look like on your mobile phone, right? So it's a new account, right? So total task 0. The dashboard will just show you a summary of what is happening, right, or what has been happening to you, and what you have submitted. So you can see the total task, number of completed tasks, the graded results, your average score, right, recent submission, upcoming deadlines, right? So it's just like a reminder to show you that what do I need to submit, right? So this is a dark theme. What do I mean by that? Right, to the top right corner here, you can see your name, the initials, right? So your surname and the other name, the first alphabet or the first character, right, is what we are seeing here. So here you can click on this, right? So most likely when you log in for the first time, this might be the appearance. So this is a light theme. So if this is good for your eyes, that's fine. If you want to change to the dark theme, you can just click on this, right? It goes back to the dark theme. I like to work with the dark theme, right? You can change your password. All right, so you can change your password. You can see your name and other details. You can just swipe to the right. You can see your role. when your password was changed last. No. So you can change your password. Just click change my password button there, right? Then it gets your current password for you. We can validate that by clicking on the eye icon. Put a new password. Again, it says password must be at least 8 characters with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbol. Confirm your new password. You just a security notice. Then you update your password. Right. Most likely it will log you out after updating it too. Right. So after I go back to my dashboard, you can see these three lines here, like an icon, right? It's called it's used to expand the sidebar, right? So I can click on that, right? Just click on that. You can see other menu. Yeah, so I click on my dashboard. It takes me to my dashboard, right? So again, please, this depends on the speed of your internet and the speed of your phone, right? So once you are into you're seeing 00 here because you have not subscribed to any program, right? So once I click on this, I can see the available training program, right? So this is the training program that is available, the Nintendo Master Guide 2025. You see details of the curriculum, right? You can click on it to view the details, right? You can read more about it, right? The duration, the start date, the end date, and other details like that, right? So you can click on this to enroll in the program straight, or you click on the enroll button, that we saw earlier on. So I just click on enroll now. So you get the notification, enrollment successful, right? You can close that, right? So to see now, to confirm that, see that our available training program is 0, but my training program now is 1, right? So and immediately we can see that our task, for our task, we have 25 tasks that we are yet to do, pending tasks, 25 pending tasks, right? So I can click on the task and then you can see all the tasks, but we'll come back to task. We don't want the video to be too long, right? We'll come back to this. This is another icon. We'll come back to my results as well. This is change password. So you can change your password from this point too. It's the same thing what I've explained earlier. It's the same view. My profile, right? You can check your profile, right? Your name, your email. You can just swipe right, check your phone number, your district, your church, your role. So let's assume your church is wrong or other details are wrong. You can just do edit profile. Right, so you can change you cannot change your name, you cannot change your email address, you can change your phone number, right? So probably there is a mistake with your phone number. You can change your phone number, right? You cannot change your district, right? Because we don't want confusion, but you can change your church. We're operating as we are categorizing everyone based on at the district level, so we don't want to change your district. If you feel you are in the wrong district, just let us know. We'll change that for you from the back end. Right, so let's say I'll change my church to back to Okechemo, right? So I just changed that. I've changed my phone number, right? So I can save that. And once I'm done, I get a notification. I can see my phone number is 29, and my church is now Okechemo. Right, so that's that about that. That's the tool basically. Right, so the next tutorial we're going to look at my task in detail. So can you upload your task and things like that. Right, so for now, okay, when we return to the dashboard, you can see now total task 25, completed 0, graded 0, no under 0. Right, so recent submission none. Upcoming details, you can see the ones that you are to submit, right? Everything has the same due date, right? Because this is we just created everything, and so they have the same due date. So that means you must upload everything before or not before that the due date. And yeah, so I think this is fine for now. Next video we'll talk about how to upload your task. Thank you.